sit rep after 207,000 miles. I think we need a new radiator, 2001, so it's 25 years old. So the build quality of these cars, it shouldn't be breaking already. After 25 years, I think quality's gone down. Just kidding. I really love this truck. I think I got it in 2020, and it's been super reliable. No major issues at all. All right, let's get this going. It seems like there's a lot coming out from the bottom, but I think that is where it's coming from. The plan is I'll JBWeld that tonight, and I think it's gonna hold, but the wifey wants me to get a new radiator, so we'll see what we do. That was the last time I flushed the coolant, so I'll JBWeld it for tonight and see how that works. If it works good, I might not replace the radiator until the summer, but we'll see how it goes. I think the JBWeld will work good. I think I'm using this high temp stuff. So high temp stuff, I think it'll be good. All right, I've sanded it down. Hopefully it adheres on here properly. I have really high hopes that this will work well and I can let this run for the winter. And then probably replace this with like a denser radiator from Rock Auto or something this spring or this summer. The way I'm maintaining this truck is that I want it to be as low cost as possible, and just be that reliable workhorse for a small amount of money. And I think, you know, some people have garage clean Toyotas, and I do appreciate those, but I'm not at that stage of my life yet, and maybe this one day will be a garage queen and I can really restore this one day. The frame's pretty clean. The bed arches are starting to rust, and so is the windshield. I want this to be my forever truck, really. I daily drive this thing, and I just love it. I love this truck. It's the gas isn't that good, but gas is cheap right now. That looks so good. If this works, this product's amazing. I tried calling them, but they were closed. It seems like if you call them, someone from Texas will answer, which is great. I love American companies that still have their headquarters here in the States and can answer any questions, and a person answers you. I think we've lost that in so many companies, that I think that's such a great thing to have when you're getting customer service and stuff like that. I think that's pretty important to me, and I think it's pretty important to a lot of people too. So I like these new caps. It was kind of dummy proof at first. I didn't know how to unscrew it at first, which is kind of funny. And I don't know how I want to get a clean edge. I'm kind of OCD about this stuff, and it'd be really nice if I can get this like super clean. Just wonder if I can get an edge of this or like a razor. Freaking giving my truck a lineup right now. This is great. Very OEM. I think that'll hold. I think that'll give me till spring or summer next year, at least. And this truck is so reliable. I never have issues with it. So little stuff like this, I never complain. I think it's done more than I've asked it to do. I've gone on some trails in Pennsylvania with some friends, camping, and I haven't really towed. I haven't needed to, but I would love to try to tow with this thing. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Hopefully it holds, and that's it. JBWeld. This holds. I approve of this message. All right, thanks guys. What a great truck.